Hailstorm in Pathankot. So many hails. See. Water is filling in our garden and here are the hails. Many hails are covered by the water of rain and here's hail. And here's my brother.
Hello.
And here's me, the cameraman. Beautiful view. After scorching heat, there's a rain. I think the monsoons are approaching. Hails are so thick. Everyone,
The marvelous weather.
every one of us is enjoying the weather. Our garden is getting filled by water like a swimming pool. See. See, water has been filled in our garden. And here's our plant. And here are the hills. Many hills are being covered by the water. Only some of them are left.
Perfect circle hill.
And here's a hail which my brother has given it to me. And
It's
now
like a jewel.
it's looking like a piece of diamond. Now I'm throwing it away. Yay! And here it is.
So bye for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. And bye from my side too. Thank you.